central Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Morris to 7 miles south of Dixon, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle, Oregon, Mount Morris, Byron, Amboy, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw, Davis Junction, Creston, Leaf River, Lee, Compton, Stewart, West Brooklyn, and Adeline. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 80 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 51 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, and White Pine State Park. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Oh my God.
Damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground likely are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if
you're gonna begin.
This is no weather radio.
Cut off again.